Envy Seedling. Lena lives in a big beautiful white house. She lives with her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Roy. They are rich and have everything they want. Next door, a simple family lives. A kind man, Mr. Dan, his wife Sarah, son John and daughter Nia. Mr. and Mrs. Roy whisper, they are too simple, not like us. They don't like having him nearby. Mr. Dan works very hard in his shop. He is kind to all. Soon a small shop become a big departmental store. Lena sees Nia playing outside and feels excited. Maybe I have a friend. She runs to go play, but her mother stops her. She said, Lena, we are much better than Nia's family, so you shouldn't mix with her. Mr. Dan's biggest wish is for Nia to study in the best school. His hard work brings success, and Nia joins the best school in town. Lena and Nia are now in the same school, and in the same class. They are both smart students. After the exam, Nia gets first position, Lena gets second. Lena feels upset. A small seed of envy is planted in her heart. Lena tells her mother, why did she beat me? Her mother says, don't worry, you're still better. The seed of envy grows stronger. Lena feels jealous from Nia. Lena decides to act friendly with Nia, but deep inside, she wants to stop Nia from studying well. Lena takes Nia out often, wasting her time. But Nia studies every night after coming home. Lena feels ready. She thinks, Nia won't win this time. But in the exam, Lena forgets answers. Her envy clouded her mind. Nia passes and gets top marks again. Lena fails. She cries and says, I wasted time being jealous. I forgot my own goal. Lena tells her mom, you said I was better, but I let envy grow. Now it feels like a heavy tree in my heart. Lena goes to Nia home and says sorry. Nia forgives her and says, let's be true friends and help each other grow. From that day, Lena learns, if you water envy, it grows like a tree and blocks your light. But if you water kindness, you grow with joy.